There's something happening inside your body right now, and if you knew what it was, you'd never doubt your strength again. In the next few seconds, you'll discover a hidden power you've had since birth. Your body is performing a miracle this very moment. Millions of cells are repairing damage you didn't even know you had. But here's the twist. This healing army doesn't rest. Not when you're stressed. Not when you're tired. Not even when you're asleep. Watch this. Scrape your skin today, and within seconds your blood starts patching the wound like a team of emergency responders. And the suspense? Your body doesn't just repair. It remembers the attack and upgrades itself. That's why the second time your body faces the same threat, it responds faster, stronger, smarter. But healing isn't just physical. There's something deeper happening. Your brain is rewiring itself right now, creating new connections every time you learn, think, or feel. And here's the jaw dropper. Every night, your brain performs a detox that no machine on earth can copy. It washes away stress chemicals, repairs emotional wounds, and strengthens good memories. But wait, your gut is doing something unbelievable too. It's producing 90% of your serotonin, the very chemical that keeps you calm, focused, and happy. And the plot twist? Your gut bacteria help control your mood more than you think. That means healing your body also heals your emotions. Now here's the part people don't talk about enough. When you drink water, your cells light up, literally. They activate electrical signals that power your healing. And when you move your body, oh, it gets even better. Exercise sends fresh oxygen rushing to your cells like fuel to a fire. That's why a simple 10-minute walk can lift your mood faster than most pills. But here's the shocking part. Your body heals 3 times faster when you're in a positive emotional state, meaning your thoughts aren't just thoughts, they're medicine. But the real question is, are you using this power? Because every choice you make today, sleep, food, movement, stress, turns your healing power up or down. And the most powerful healing switch is the one people ignore: rest. When you rest, your body enters repair mode. Muscles rebuild. Cells clean up toxins. Organs reset. But if you skip rest, your healing slows by nearly half. So your body isn't just healing you, it's begging you to help it. Here's the secret most people never hear. You are not broken. You are healing every single second. And even when you feel weak, your body is fighting harder than you know. So the next time you doubt yourself, remember this: your body is not working against you. It is fighting for you. Give your body the support it deserves. Rest well, eat well, hydrate, move, breathe. And if you learned something today, hit like and subscribe. Your healing journey has already begun.